Guest Wi-Fi is a strategic first-party data engine, not just a utility. Every connection is an opportunity to capture consented, accurate customer data. First, build on captive portal and radius authentication as the technical foundation of the value exchange. Second, minimize friction on the splash page, aiming for no more than 2 fields on the initial form to increase capture rates. Third, track identity, not devices, because MAC address randomization requires persistent identifiers, like email addresses for cross-session tracking. Fourth, integrate CRM via webhooks in real time to activate the data and drive revenue. Fifth, separate marketing consent from access, as GDPR requires marketing consent as a separate, optional opt-in, never bundled with terms. Read the full guide at purple.ai.